Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful stone art ideas. So I hope you like my videos. So viewers, let's start today video friends. So viewers, first idea is home decor style. Turn ordinary stone into home decor. Handmade pieces always look special. You can match colors with your tone. Small details make a big difference. Nature theme. These stones come from a nature. We give them new life with colors, flower, leaves, and simple pattern. Nature and art together look so beautiful. And dear friends, next idea is weavers. Friends, cute and decorative. These small stones can decorate your home. Use them in pots, table or shelves. Cute designs make everything look happy. Simple art can bring a big smile. And viewers, so next idea is viewers, banners. Friendly stone art is perfect for banners. You only need stone, paint, and a brush. No special skill needed, just art and enjoy. Even simple dots and lining can look beautiful, tight, and surprise yourself and your friends. Viewers, I hope you like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, viewers, for more latest updates. So viewers,